Hi guys, welcome to Dr. A YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about brachial plexus. Here you can see the parts of the brachial plexus as roots, trunks, divisions, cords and branches. So we can easily remember these 5 parts by this term, remember to drink called beer. Remember to drink called beer. So there are 5 roots present in brachial plexus as C5, C6, C7, C8 and T1. So these roots make 3 trunks. First we should draw 2 peaks and 3 horizontal lines. 2 peaks and 3 horizontal lines. As I told, there are 3 trunks as upper, medial and lateral. So now we have to divide each trunk into 2 divisions as anterior and posterior. Each trunk into 2 divisions. When we talk about cords, there are 3 cords and I will represent them using 3 dots first. As I have drawn here, this dot will bring all the posterior divisions of trunks and this dot will take anterior divisions of this upper and medial trunk and this one will take only the anterior division of lateral trunk. I will tell it again. This posterior cord will take all the posterior divisions and this lateral one take anterior divisions of this upper 2 and this medial cord will take only the anterior division of lateral trunk. So now we will talk about the branches arise from these cords. So for the lateral one, the branches are L, M, L and for the medial, M for U, that means 4 M's and U, and for the posterior one, ultra. Here L means lateral pectoral nerve. M means musculocutaneous nerve. And L means lateral root of median nerve. Now we will move to the medial cord. Here the first term is medial cutaneous nerve of arm. And here the medial cutaneous nerve of forearm. Third one is medial pectoral nerve. Here you can see the lateral pectoral nerve. Here the medial pectoral nerve. And this one is medial root of median nerve. Here the lateral root of median nerve. Here medial root of median nerve. And the U means ulnar nerve. So now let's move to the posterior cord and the branches. Here U means upper subscapular nerve and then lower subscapular nerve. And these 3 are thoracodorsal nerve, radial nerve and axillary nerve. Apart from these branches, there are some other nerves arise directly from roots and trunks. The first one is dorsal scapular nerve. It is arise from this C5 root. And the second one is nerve to subclavius. It is arise from the C5 and C6 roots. Third one is long thoracic nerve. It is very important. So it's arise from the C5, C6 and C7 roots. I will show it like this. So it is the long thoracic nerve. These are the 3 nerves arise from roots and there is another root arise from trunks. It is the subscapular nerve and it arises from the upper trunk as it contains C5 and C6 roots. So here I will write it subscapular nerve. So that's all about brachial plexus. And I think from this diagram you can easily remember these nerves and their roots. So as example, let's see from which root the musculocutaneous nerve is arise. As you can see here, you have to come along these lines. So musculocutaneous nerve is come from this line, and it means it has C5 and C6. And when it comes from this line, it also has C7. So musculocutaneous nerve has arise from C5, C6 and C7. Like that, we can find nerve roots of all these nerves. That means from these lateral branches and medial branches. But it is different to the posterior one, as these 5 nerves arise from this posterior cord, but their nerve roots are different. For upper subscapular nerve and lower subscapular nerve, the roots are C5 and C6. And for thoracodorsal nerve, they are C6, C7 and C8. And for axillary nerve, C5 and C6. And only the radial nerve consists with all these 5 nerve roots: C5, C6, C7, C8 and T1. So that's very important, as these 5 nerves arise from posterior cord, but their nerve roots are different. So that's it, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So thank you guys.